welcome back to my channel with me, Monique. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would really appreciate it if you would like to click the subscribe button. I upload videos weekly about style, mindful shopping, travel, and everything in between. So today's video is all about bag review. I'm going to do a quick review of my Old Céline hobo bag, which is this one. I say Old Céline because this was designed by Phoebe Philo. It's this hobo bag in this tan color. I don't know specifically the name of the color of this bag, but it kind of reminds me of the gold color from Hermes, if you're familiar with that. It's a beautiful, beautiful brown. This bag is in the smooth leather, so it is a little bit shiny, as you can see. But even though it is smooth leather, I find it pretty easy to wear. It doesn't scratch easily at all. I was worried about that in the beginning. I wanted to find a grainy leather, but actually it's pretty sturdy. It's made out of really beautiful leather, and it is very minimal in design. You don't really see any logos. You wouldn't really know that this is Céline because this is not really one of their like more famous designs like the luggage or the trapeze. There's only like a very small logo there embossed on the leather. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, just right there it says Céline Paris. I want to do a review on this bag because when I went to Thailand recently for a month, this is one of the 3 bags that I carried with me. So I had this with me, the Chanel medium double flap in black, and also the pochette accessoire in monogram. But because the pochette accessoire is kind of like a very small bag, sometimes it doesn't fit all the things that I would need to carry with me. Especially when I travel, I tend to carry my camera and more things with me just in case. So this was really useful for that trip. I carried this a lot because the Chanel bag is more kind of like an evening bag, and it was not really for like daily rough and tough use. You know, I can carry a water bottle in this. It's really functional. I'm glad that I carried this bag. I think this bag is from spring 2014 collection. It comes in different colors. If you see on the pre-loved market, I've seen black, kind of mustardy color, and I've seen ones with grainy leather as well. Not all of them has the smooth leather. I will try to put a link on some of these bags if I see them on the pre-owned market. I actually saw a few lately, I think on the Real or something. And the prices were actually still quite high. I think I saw them for like $1,200. I purchased this from Fashion File a few years ago, and it was, I think, around $700. So price was really good. The condition was really great. So I had to pick it up because I love the design. I love the hobo style, you know, and you can wear it 2 ways. It has the shorter strap, and you can wear it as a shoulder bag. Like, you can also change the strap into a longer strap, and you can wear it crossbody. So when I was traveling, I mainly carry this as a crossbody bag because it's just easier to go in and out, you know, with my camera when I'm vlogging. Sometimes I have to be really swift and fast because, you know, it can be awkward filming in public. It is great because it has a dual function. One thing that I have to say about this particular hardware here, the snap buttons, when I carry it as a crossbody bag, sometimes my hair does get snagged onto this hardware, but not a lot. Like, I would say like 1 or 2 strands of hair. It's not painful, but it just sometimes gets stuck. So let me tell you the measurement of this bag. So the height of this bag, I counted from the middle, is 11.5 inches. And the length, I counted from the top, is at 13 inches. And the width is around 2.75 inches. And it doesn't have a closure. So the inside looks like this. It's just beautiful suede lining in the same color. It has these 2 straps. I guess you can close it like so if you want to. I don't really actually use this strap. I don't really think it's really useful. What I like about this bag is that it is one just giant compartment, but in the middle it has a zippered compartment. So as you can see, it has this zippered compartment. This zippered compartment is usually where I put my wallet and my phone, things that are more valuable. You know, you can also put your passport. This is great for traveling as well if you don't carry a lot when you travel. It is so useful. It is great to have something that you can zip up and, you know, you feel a little bit safer walking around when you're traveling or wherever you are. So let me show you what fits in this bag. Let's start with the biggest item. This is my MacBook Air M1 in the size 13 inches, I think. I don't really carry my laptop with this bag because it tends to be heavy and I don't like carrying a very heavy crossbody bag. But let's see if it fits in the bag. Okay, so because of the curved bottom, it doesn't really go all the way. You will have your laptop sticking out like this, which is not ideal. I wouldn't recommend you carrying your laptop with this bag. If you want to carry your iPad, you could probably still be able to do that, but definitely not a regular size laptop. Next, I have this hardcover book. I like to carry a book when I'm traveling because sometimes I'm walking around the city alone and I would have like lunch all by myself or like you know, a cup of tea just to rest, just to have a little break from all the walking around. And having a book is great because then I can read while, you know, I'm sitting down with my tea, or when I'm having like a quick bite of lunch. I don't have to look at my phone. I could just read a book. Let's see how this fits. So a book would fit nicely, especially if you have like a paperback book that would be smaller. I have this toiletry pouch 26. Now let's try with the toiletry pouch in the size 26. Let's see if it will fit in this bag. I don't carry this with me on a daily basis because I don't really need that much stuff, but just in case, if you ever need to, it does fit perfectly. So you can carry it if you want to. Just looks like that. We still have the middle section empty. I have two wallets. One is the compact wallet and one is the full-size wallet. I always carry my compact wallet instead, but just for the purpose of this video to see if it fits or not, let's carry the full-size wallet. I'm going to put it in the middle section. It fits nicely in the middle. Okay, I have my phone here. I'm going to put it in the middle as well. My camera, this is the Canon G7X Mark II. It can be quite tricky to have my camera with all of this stuff, so we're gonna take out the toiletry pouch 26, which I would never carry with this bag anyway. We have one compartment free, so let's put it in the front. And then instead of my toiletry pouch 26, I'm gonna carry this mini pochette accessoire as my catch-all. And last thing is a pair of sunglasses. These are from Saint Laurent. Everything fits nicely and I'm ready for the day. I don't carry the book all the time, especially when I feel like it's too heavy. So most of the time I just leave this at home. And I would usually just carry a fabric tote inside. For me, if I buy something, I can carry it in that tote. So yeah, that is a quick review of my Old Céline hobo bag. I highly recommend this bag if you are in the market for a hobo bag or everyday bag that will fit all your necessities. It is really beautiful, very minimal in design. It's really safe for travel because it doesn't really attract a lot of attention and it goes with a lot of your outfits. I'm really happy that I have this bag in my collection. Let me show you how it looks like when I carry it as a crossbody. It falls nicely here on my hip. It's really easy whenever I need something. If I need my phone or if I need my camera, I can just easily take it out quickly. If I need my wallet. It falls really comfortable on my body and yeah, I just love it.